Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to today's maths class. In today's class, let us learn about another way of data representation called pictograph. Now look at the picture and answer. The following picture shows different kind of animals. Write the number of each kind of animal in the circles. So watch the picture carefully and answer to my questions. Tell me how many giraffes you can see here. Can you? Yeah, there is only one giraffe. Next, count and tell me how many elephants are there. Yes, children, you are right. It is 2. Next, how many rabbits can you see here? Yeah, it is 2. Right. Next, there are how many lions? There are only 2 lions. Next, you have to count and tell me how many lion cubs you can find here. It is 3. Yes, you are right, children. Good. Here is another example. Look at the picture and answer. So how many students are standing? You can't include teacher here. You have to exclude her, and rest of the students you have to count and tell me. It is 5. Next, how many students are sitting? It is 4. You can find 4 students are sitting. Next, how many chairs are in the class? Can you see the chairs? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more chair is lying near the girl. 5 plus 1, it is 6. How many girls are there in the class? Yeah. How many? Tell me. There are 4 girls. 2 girls are standing and 2 girls are sitting. If you put together, there are 4 girls. Next, how many students are there in the class? Let's start counting. Yeah, there are 9 students in the class. Now it's time to complete book exercise in page number 128 in New Guided Mathematics textbook, exercise 11.1. Yes, here you can see different types of children with different colored uniforms. So read the question given, write greater or lesser or equal in the boxes to compare the number of boys and girls in the different uniforms shown in the picture. First, let us segregate. First, we'll start from yellow colored uniform, that is children with yellow colored uniform, that is 4. Next, children with red colored uniform, there are 7 children. Next, children with blue colored uniform, only 3. Next, green colored, it is 3. Pink, children with pink colored uniform, that is also 3. Here it is. Next, children with purple colored uniform, count and tell me. Yeah, there are 5. So first we'll compare children with red colored uniform with purple colored uniform. So in blue colored uniform only 3 are there. In purple colored uniform 5 are there. As you know, the crocodile mouth always open towards a greater number. So this side you have to draw the sign. Next, red and pink. Red 7 and pink it is 3. So which side it is? Again it is towards this side. So remember, always crocodile mouth open towards a greater number. Next, you have to compare green and pink. It is equal. Both are 3 in number. Next, blue and pink. That is also equal. Next, yellow and blue. Yellow is 4. And what about blue? Blue colored uniform it is 3. So it is open this side, yellow colored. Next, purple and pink. Children with purple colored uniform it is 5. And the children with pink colored uniform it is 3. There are only 3 children. So you have mouth is getting open towards this side. Next, purple and red. How many children are with purple colored uniform? 5. With red, there are 7. So, obviously this side. Next, compare yellow and green. So, which side? It is this side. Okay, you have to complete page number 128 by seeing this image. Yes, here is another example. This you have to copy it in your maths classwork. Observe the given pictograph and answer the questions that follow. First, let me tell you what is pictograph. When pictures or symbols are used to represent the information, such a representation is known as pictorial representation. Here the data is about fruits. So it is given in tabulation. So if you are able to draw by yourself, you can draw these pictures or else get help from your parents. First question, how many oranges are there? Count and tell me. There are 13 oranges. Next, how many bananas are there? Count, children. Yes, there are 8. Third one, how many bananas and apples are there all together? Do you remember this word all together? What does it mean? It means putting things together. So you have to add. Bananas, how many are there? There are 8 bananas. How many apples are there? 9. 8 plus 9 gives you 17. Next, how many papayas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, how many papayas and oranges are there all together? What you have to do again? You have to add. You have to add how many papayas? 6 plus oranges 13. There are 19 altogether. Next, how many apples are there? There are 9 apples. Next, how many fruits are there altogether? From banana till papaya, you have to add all together. One by one, you have to count. There are 36 fruits altogether. Next question. Observe the given pictograph and answer the questions that follows. Yeah, it's quite difficult to draw, children. Make a rough diagram of it for better understanding. Okay. Cat, rat, dog, elephant. Yes, count and tell me how many cats are there. There are 7 cats. Next, how many cats and rats are there altogether? How many cats are there? There are 7 cats. Now you have to count how many rats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you put 7 plus 5 together, you get answer as 12. Next, how many elephants are there? Count. 1, 2. Very easy, right? How many dogs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, how many animals are there all together? What you have to do? Start counting from cat till elephant one by one. There are 18 animals all together. Name the animal that is more in number. More. Cat. Cat is more in number. I hope you understood today's concept. That's all for today, children. Bye. Take care.